management company is composed of several departments made up of different kinds of people, made up of our colleagues on board. That it's not fair if you want to do everything. Kasi gusto mo na naman. Kailangan maayos yung magpaayos mo na ako. So, lahat na lang gusto.
You know what is a ship management company? What is a ship management company?
Sir, yung responsible para sa technical management ng vessel.
Yes, technical management ng vessel. You are the actually ship management company, or a ship manager is the one who assumes the responsibility of the ship owner. Kasi yung ship owner, di ba sabi ko, a person, a group of person, a company or any entity, di ba, that owns a ship, but it doesn't mean, kasi sinabi ko, any entity, it can be a bank, di ba?